Pasi Lhok is a village at Kembang Tanjung Sub district. It is located at north of Pidie Regency, Aceh province. It is about 9 kilometers from Pidie. It is a small village, but it is very clean and beautiful. Pasi Lhok is strategic location for refreshing because it is coast. The temperature is cool. Indeed, the air is free from the pollution because it has still many big trees. Pasi Lhok is known many people because it is passed to a location that is Kualitari Beach. It has beautiful scenery, so many local and foreign tourists come to there. Moreover, in Pasi Lhok there is beautiful beach. You can spend your holiday to play water there. Many people who live in Pasi Lhok work as fishermen, and they work at the farm from 6 o'clock until o'clock in the morning. They catch fish of various kinds. Beside it, Pasi Lhok including fish entry out of other districts until the provincial exit. Also, Pasi Lhok has a beautiful mosque, so that people are comfortable in worshipping.